Every gym has them. Members who constantly cherry pick workouts, not because they're lazy, but because something hurts. They show up early to stretch, foam roll, try activation drills that they found on Instagram, just hoping that they can make it through the workout without pain. You know who they are. The person whose knee or back flares up every time that they run, so they jump on the rower instead. Or the person whose shoulder hurts every time that they press, so they shorten the range of motion, lighten the load, and slow down the tempo, hoping that that fixes it. These people aren't broken, but they're also not thriving. They're stuck in what we call the gap. The gap is where people don't need physical therapy or surgery, but they also can't train the way that they want to without aches or pains or recurring flare-ups. And here's the problem. When people are in the gap, healthcare tells them to ease back into it. Don't do too much too soon. Avoid anything that hurts. So they stop progressing. But then they come to the gym, and you do what you've been taught to do. Modify, substitute, work around it. And listen, you're doing a good job. You're keeping them in the gym getting healthy. But modifying forever doesn't solve the problem. It just manages it. What we've found is that people in the gap desperately want to get out of it, but they don't know who to trust for help. And most coaches don't realize this. If you can help someone get out of the gap, you instantly become the most valuable professional in their world. That's exactly what we help coaches do. We teach coaches how to become the trusted authority clients go to when pain, limitations, and movement issues are holding them back, so those clients can return to training fully, confidently, without pain. And it starts with one thing: assessment. Assessment helps progress happen faster, and it teaches clients what's wrong in a way that they can easily explain it to their friends, which eventually gets you referrals. If you want to do more than work around pain, if you want to actually solve it, you need a system that shows you what's driving the issue, what matters right now, and how to program the next step forward. You also need to make sure you're getting paid really well for it. And that's why we created our 2-day online assessment workshop. Over 8 hours across 2 days, you'll learn the exact active life assessment system we've used with over 10,000 clients, from everyday gym members to elite athletes. This isn't theory. This is the same system we've used in the real world under real load with real people. And no, I'm not telling you that to brag. I'm telling you that because this system works. In fact, coaches pay $1,500 plus travel to attend the workshop that we're giving you in person. Now you can learn it from your home for a fraction of that price, which naturally raises the question: if this is so valuable, why is it so cheap? I'm glad you asked. It's simple. This workshop is the first step. It's for coaches who want to see what's possible when they stop guessing and start assessing. And we know that once you learn this system, many of you will want to continue working with us in the full ALP mentorship to master the entire process. So we made the barrier to entry as low as possible, because this is one of those rare opportunities where your upside is massive and your risk is almost zero. If you want to be the coach your members trust when pain is holding them back, if you want to stop modifying forever and start actually solving problems, then secure your spot now while they're still available.